Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I already sent you the previous video showing you the process of how I made my spaghetti. So it's done now. I garnish with some eggs. I'm going to put some other stuff on it. You can add vegetables if you want. It's ready now. So my spaghetti is ready. Like I told you earlier on, I use whole wheat spaghetti, and I already sent a first video, the previous one before this one, showing you how I made it. That's the process, the method. So it's ready now. See, and I garnished with fresh tomatoes. I put them on it fresh because I don't want to be mushy. You can do anything you want. You can add green peas, green beans, carrots, whatever. All it's gonna be good. Or you can use it as a side. Eat it with salad. You can eat it with salad on the side if you want to. So enjoy. God bless you and stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye. Isn't it yummy? Oh yes, it is.